Well, hi, my name is Eunice, and I'm a co-founder of Open Teams, a platform for open source innovation. How many of you have heard or used Netflix? Okay, well, a good amount. Well, did you know that over 96% of applications in your phone are built on open source? From Netflix to NASA, engineers are using open source tools to solve challenging problems. Yet, most of these communities are highly underrepresented. Let's take NumPy. NumPy is a Python library. It has over 49 million downloads, from individuals to Fortune 500 companies. The estimated effort for NumPy on an annual basis are 76 people, but yet it only has 6 maintainers. These teams are burnt out and underpaid for their work. And on the other side, organizations are just disconnected from the community. And they lack support and maintenance for projects they depend on. Well, there must be a better way. And that's Open Teams. Open Teams is an online marketplace that helps connect organizations with open source teams to help facilitate funding for new development and maintenance. For open source contributors, it is a place to showcase their work, collaborate with their teams, and get compensated to work on projects they care about. For organizations, it is a place to find and fund projects they depend on. We launched our MVP about 90 days ago, and since then have been growing at a 10% week over week, with over 720 users, over 110 projects, and 12 organizations currently on our platform. We are working to take 10% of the open source market, but we know the bigger opportunity is the software market, which is valued at over $825 billion. Our business model is very simple. We take a 10% commission fee on each transaction that goes through the platform. And we are working to generate over $300 million by 2026. So, companies are currently using bounties and donations to buy developers' attention. This is a problem because donations will buy you a cup of coffee, but it won't pay your rent. Our team and Open Teams grew out of over 2 decades of experience in the open source industry. Our founder, Travis, is also the founder of Anaconda and the creator of several Python libraries in the world. I come from a data analytics background and as the founder of DataGig. David and Chris have led several engineering teams at companies like IBM, Bank of America, Google, and Uber. If there's anything I want you to remember from my talk today, is that Open Teams is changing the economics of open source development. Thank you.